Lazy AI side hustle. $100 a day online. Easy money method. Welcome to Profitability Plus, your go-to source for unlocking the potential of money-making websites. Today, we're diving into 4 easy AI side hustles that could put up to $100 in your pocket daily. Based on my hands-on experience managing online businesses with AI, I'm here to guide you through each hustle. Let's jump right in. Ever thought about starting an Instagram theme page? Our first hustle involves just that. Utilize AI bots to craft short-form content for platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok. No need to create content from scratch. Repurpose trending videos from YouTube. Build an audience in a niche and monetize through affiliate marketing. It's a simple way to earn consistently. Now, let's talk AI email marketing. Building an email list through short-form content is the key. Use AI bots like ChatGPT to automate engaging emails. Aweber is my recommended tool for email marketing. Save time with AI-generated email content and efficiently connect with your audience. It's a hustle that pays off with dedication. Our third hustle involves building an affiliate marketing website. With an AI website builder like Hostinger, you can create a site quickly, generate articles with AI bots, strategically placing affiliate links. When visitors click and purchase, you earn commissions. It's a lazy side hustle that sets you on the path to consistent earnings. Lastly, consider the concept of a faceless automated YouTube channel. No need to show your face on camera. Leverage AI tools to produce top-notch videos. Monetize through YouTube AdSense or affiliate income. You don't need to be in front of the camera to make money. Check out our tutorial video for the details. Remember, consistency is the key in these side hustles. Success may take time, but with AI assistance, you can streamline processes and increase efficiency. Start your journey to profitability with these beginner-friendly AI side hustles. Now that we've explored the first set of lucrative AI side hustles, let's dive into another batch of opportunities that might be your ticket to financial growth. In case the first options didn't quite align with your preferences, don't worry, there's more to explore. From freelancing to AI tools and beyond, these next strategies offer diverse ways to make money online. Let's get started! Delving into the realm of usability, another avenue unveils itself through testing websites and apps. By offering insightful feedback on user experiences, platforms like usertesting.com provide an accessible gateway to earn money. Quick and straightforward, this avenue allows you to capitalize on your observations while contributing to the improvement of digital platforms. The integration of generative artificial intelligence or AI into various facets of our digital landscape is undeniable. As businesses increasingly rely on AI tools, the opportunity to capitalize on this trend beckons. Explore AI-related side hustles, such as incorporating AI tools as a freelancer, enhancing advertising and marketing efforts, managing small businesses, or even teaching others to navigate the AI landscape. Staying ahead of the curve involves honing your familiarity with these tools, with platforms like Upwork or Freelancer.com serving as invaluable entry points. For those seeking a more straightforward approach to supplementing their income, participating in online surveys emerges as a valuable option. While not a high-paying endeavor, registering on survey sites like Swagbucks and SurveyJunkie offers a hassle-free means of making some extra cash with minimal effort. Monetizing your blog through affiliate marketing stands as a potential lucrative endeavor for those with the patience to cultivate a dedicated audience. Joining an affiliate network allows you to capitalize on your blog's traffic, earning commissions when visitors click through partner sites and make purchases. While the journey to building a substantial audience may be time-consuming, the eventual payoff can be significant. Crafting enthusiasts can turn their skills into an online business by selling handmade goods on Etsy, a platform boasting 95 million active buyers. While the setup may require effort, the potential for a rewarding venture awaits those willing to invest time and energy. Venturing into the realm of digital publishing, Self-publishing an ebook through platforms like Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing presents a viable avenue. While writing a book may be a laborious process, the potential for monthly royalties, earning up to 70% of each sale, can make the effort worthwhile. As content creators thrive in the digital age, the opportunity to monetize blog content or YouTube videos through advertising beckons. Joining the YouTube Partner Program or using Google AdSense for blog advertising offers a channel to generate revenue. While building a substantial following is a prerequisite, the potential for a steady income stream makes the journey worthwhile. Social media influencers can carve out a niche on Instagram, collaborating with brands to generate income. Opportunities can be found through marketing platforms like Open Influence or Aspire, or by directly reaching out to brands. Building influence requires dedication, but the partnerships that follow can be financially rewarding. Gaming enthusiasts can explore the prospect of monetizing their Twitch channel. By amassing a following, streamers can receive donations, a share of subscription revenue, and ad revenue upon reaching affiliate or partner status. While building a dedicated audience may take time, the potential for consistent rewards exists. For those with a keen eye for photography, turning images into cash becomes a tangible prospect. Platforms like Fine Art America or SmugMug allow photographers to upload images for sale as prints, merchandise, or digital downloads. Although buyers need to discover your work, the potential for a passive income source is significant, making this a viable avenue for photography enthusiasts. For those seeking immediate returns, selling items online proves to be an efficient method. By decluttering one's surroundings and parting with unused possessions, instant payments can be secured. Platforms like Poshmark, Facebook Marketplace, and Etsy serve as a viable channels for selling items, ranging from pre-loved fashion to homemade creations. The practice extends beyond personal belongings, encompassing the resale of deals found at stores or garage sales for a profitable online venture. Data entry jobs emerge as legitimate online opportunities providing daily or weekly pay. Although they may not be high-paying, the simplicity of these tasks allows individuals to earn consistent cash with attention to detail and fast typing skills. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Data Plus, and Dion Data Solutions host data entry jobs, with potential requirements including background checks and certification tests for certain positions. Affiliate marketing presents a high-paying online job option, ideal for bloggers, vloggers, and social media influencers. Success in this field necessitates an online space to promote affiliate links and a sizable audience to engage with these links. Operating on a flexible schedule, individuals can earn a percentage of sales through promoted links, ranging from 10 to 50%. While payouts may not be instantaneous, as they can take a few weeks or even a month, consistent efforts in affiliate marketing can yield a steady monthly income. The strategy involves aligning links seamlessly with the content to maintain authenticity and resonate with the audience. Additionally, incorporating sponsored posts from companies aligned with personal values enhances earning potential and audience engagement over time. Explore these options, find what aligns with your skills and interests, and remember, consistency is key in unlocking the full potential of these online money-making opportunities. Whether you're freelancing, testing apps, or delving into the world of AI, there's a side hustle waiting for you. Let's make your online journey profitable.